Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about purchase order inquiry screen. And this program is to find out the existing or the active one of purchase order activity. So we can check the progress status, quantity, and also the amount. As we've seen before, for several menu, SystemEver separate into two kinds of the data. Like the first one is data entry, and the second one is data inquiry. Data entry is for making new data, and inquiry is to check if the data already saved or not. Then, this inquiry function is to find our previous data, also refreshing the screen for update purpose. When we enter the screen, there's nothing except the toolbar. This is the inquiry screen style. It's not show anything unless we fill the filtering variable data and click inquiry action button. And let's see the filtering data like PO date, PO department, PO number, PO PIC, vendor, domestic import, and also the progress status. This is for classifying the status and to make the easier sorting. After we set the PO date, we can click the inquiry. And remember, from the screen, we can jump directly to the purchase supply entry by clicking the purchase supply entry action button. And we also provide the print feature on purchase order print. After we click the inquiry, we can see the data like PO date, PO number, vendor, progress status, is it complete or new, PO department, POPIC, domestic import status, the quantity, the amount, VAT, and also the total amount. And the special one is we can see the last updater. So it's very simple, right? And that's the final of purchase order inquiry screen explanation. And thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have an inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.